Today's video is about hash tables. To understand the topic we need to answer many questions, so first of all, what is hash table? A hash table is a data structure that you can use to store data in key value format with direct access to its items in constant time. Hash tables are said to be associative, which means that for each key, data occurs at most once. Hash tables let us implement things like phone books or dictionaries. In them, we store the association between a value, here in the figure it is the identity number of a person, and its key, person name itself. Now why we need hash table. The most valuable aspect of a hash table over other abstract data structures is its speed to perform insertion, deletion, and search operations. Hash tables can do them all in constant time. The below figure is about the time complexity of hash table for different operation like insertion, deletion, search. For all the operation it take constant time except list and list it take big O of n time. Let's understand how hash table works. There are 4 distinct aspects to discuss how hash tables work: storage, key value pairs, a hashing function, and table operations. So first we have storage. A hash table is an abstract data type that relies on using a more primitive data type, such as array or an object, to store the data. So second we have key value pair. Regardless of the underlying primitive data structure you use to store data as a value in a hash table, we need some way to identify it uniquely. We need a key. As we can see here, every key has a unique value. Now we have hash function. Once we have the key value pair, we pass them to the hash table to store the data for later retrieval. Hash tables need a hash function to determine how the table should store the data. With the help of hash function we can easily find out the value corresponding to a particular key. Finally we have method or operations. We know that one of the operations a hash table should perform is to hash an item, that is, to create the unique index based on a key. What other things should it be capable of? At the bare minimum, a hash table should be able to perform add a key value pair, get a value by key, remove a value by key, list, get all the keys, or key value pairs, count the number of items in the table. Lots of languages have hash table-like data structures already defined into the language. You may hear about hash maps in Java, maps, sets and dictionaries in Python,